sad note, at least 7 people are feared dead following a grisly road accident along Webuye Eldoret Road at Kipkaren Trading Center. Several others, including the driver, were injured. They are now receiving treatment at the Webuye Teaching and Referral Hospital in Eldoret. The accident involved a trailer that was heading to Eldoret town from Webuye. The ill-fated truck rammed into a group of boda operators and women traders who were roasting maize by the roadside. It then landed into a flooded ditch. Efforts to rescue some of the people trapped in the wreckage were hampered by the heavy rains.
Wale watu nimeona mimi mwenyewe kwa macho, pale chini niliona watu watatu. Mzee mmoja na mtoto na mwingine. Tukajaribu kuokoa kama umekufa. Alafu tukasema tunyanyue hii lori trailer. Tukapata mama wawili wale maiti. Alafu ule mmoja akatushinda. Mtoto tukatoa mtoto mmoja na jamaa mmoja. Lakini mvua ikasidi, maji ikateremsha pale kwa ile cabin.